my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What up, y'all? We is back in the garage for another one. You see that? That's a quart cup. You know what that means? We're finna spray some shit. Let's get into it. I think we may have found a color for the Cutlass. All right, so I gotta hide my color again. So yeah, man, we back with another one, another potential color for the Cutlass. We're gonna go ahead and get it poured out and then go from there. This actually is the final. I know this is gonna be it, and thank you to everybody that put in your input, suggestions, and everything. I mean, I really do appreciate it. But this is ultimately what I decided, taking feedback from everybody in the LSCR Nation, and I hope that I don't let y'all down. You know what I'm saying? But if I do, then you know you can't please everybody. I ain't let y'all down with that blue though. I ain't let y'all down, so I don't think I'm gonna let y'all down with this. So let's get it. All right, so we're gonna get this pried open and turn it to where I can't see the paint coat. Like, you know what I'm saying? I mean, you can go and look, you know, through your base GM, Toyota, whatever car manufacturer colors. Just know that whatever you find, even if it's close, you gotta go a little bit further. You know what I'm saying? You gotta add a little bit more to that thing, because that's what I do. You know what I'm saying? I put a little bit more spritz, a little bit more glam, all that there. So let me see where this pour out to. See that? Like I said, I think I like this one so much, I'm probably just gonna spray two spray outs of it. And then I got one more color that may be a contender, but not really. It's really not a contender. So yeah, man, little ski taste for the mixing. It's kind of cloudy. It's kind of cloudy outside, but that'll give you a little bit more better idea of what it is. And look familiar, right? Like it got the properties of that. Like it got the properties of that blue, maybe. You know what I mean? So let me get the reducer added in there, get it mixed up, pour it in a cup, and then we finna spray it down. All right, so now you can see it. We under the lights. We're under the lights in the garage. You can probably see a little bit better. Got it mixed up. Like I said, it's that Stick Talk Volume 2. Yeah, so that's gonna be fucking hard that's gonna be hard in the paint, my boy. I mean, we could probably put a little bit more of a remix to it. Add a little bit more additional stuff. But for the most part, that's it. That's it. I'm happy about it. So let me get the gun loaded up and we spray some. right, so first little coat down or whatnot. I'm not laying them on real thick. I don't want no runs like I had on the previous ones. But yeah, first coat, not real heavy, very small piece. It is what it is. Be back for the second round in 10 minutes. All right, so as you can see, the temperature is a little bit warmer than when we normally be spraying. It's about 60, about 70, right at 70 degrees. 60, 70. Yeah, sounds good to me. 70 degrees, so it's looking good, feeling good. That's about 3 coats of the orange laid on real lightly. I didn't go heavy with it this time. 3 separate coats. I didn't have no runs, bro. No runs. Before I was just overdoing that shit for it to be a damn spray out. I was too close, overspraying. But live, learn, all that good stuff. So now it's good to go. So we're mixing up our clear and spray that on there. 2 or 3 coats, make it sexy. And then I'll cut you back on after I put all the clear and all the drying, whatever. I gotta wait probably like 20 minutes. I probably gotta wait 20 minutes before I can spray this clear anyway. So that was the last of that. I mean, overall, you know, the material's been able to be in spread like that. I'm still fucking with the mixing cups. Like some shit I just don't feel or want to mix up in here. Although I probably could just pour it in there, but as we get more comfortable with it, we'll be good to go. Clear mix up, look like water. It's like water. It's like water. It ain't though. Don't drink it. So, cut y'all back on when we get the clear laid. And I think y'all finna be impressed. I'm already fucking with it to a certain extent. I feel like maybe it just need like a little bit more pow. Or really, I mean, shit, that bitch could go like that, honestly. I'm not gonna fucking hold you. That bitch could go just like that. Let's put that clear on there and see what it look like. All right, so about 20 minutes done passed, or 30 minutes done passed. I think it's good, so we can go ahead and start laying it clear. Like I said, I already love this color better than any of the other colors that we have, that was in the runnings. If you compare it to this mustard ass yellow, is this the mustard yellow? I guess. Like I see, it's not as bright as that one, but it's still a different color, and that's why I like it. Add some more flake, some more pizzazz to it, then like that bitch gonna really pop. So I'm gonna lay the clear on there and then cut it back on. All right, so I think this is like three coats on there, but I still got some clear. I still got some clear left, so I'm gonna see if I can't do like 5 coats and see how wet that bitch get. All right, so we're gonna bring it back, run it back. Whatever we need to do, put this hose up. I was still I was still gonna wait on one more color to try to. I was gonna wait on one more color to spray it. You know what I'm saying? I still got like 2 more spray outs for a color. I don't need it, bro. For the undisputed motherfucking heavyweight champ, for the goddamn Cutlass, this is it. God damn, that bitch sexy. Yeah, I ain't felt like this about a color since last week when I painted this blue. I ain't felt like that since about a colors since I painted this goddamn blue last week, nigga. But that's pressure. That motherfucker's pressure. You hear me? That bitch ain't gonna do nothing but hit even fucking harder in the sun. This is it, nigga. This is my new color for the colors. No more talk. No more talk. No, hell yeah. That's it. So, 1-2 gonna be this color. 1-2 gonna be this color. This is that blue over silver. I mean, it do kind of reflect harder, but I think somebody else was telling me like the candy effect can fade quicker as well. You know what I'm saying? We'll just go ahead and spray it, just straight up color. I ain't fucked up about it. It is what it is. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna use that silver for, but yeah. But yeah, so this is the color for the Tudo LS Broham. This is the color. This is it. Michael Jackson. This is it. And then this is gonna be the color for the Cutlass. Motherfucking sexy, dog. I don't care.